In this lecture, we will open Fusion and review the key components of the user interface, including the 3D environment, display tools, browser, tabs and tools, and last but not least, the view cube. So once we've opened up Fusion, as we can see here, straight away we are presented with the modeling environment. So in the very center, we have the 3D environment, and this is where we will be sketching, 3D modeling, and creating our assemblies. It is the main focus of modeling in Fusion. At the bottom, we have a panel of display tools and viewing tools, such as pan, orbit, zoom, etc. And we'll be covering each one of these and their keyboard or mouse shortcuts throughout this course. On the left-hand side, we have the browser. Now this organizes all of our design elements, such as paths, document settings, and the default axis and planes, and we'll be sure to be using these throughout the course also. At the top are the tabs. So the two main that we will be using within this course are called Solid and Sketch, which are essentially 3D modeling and 2D sketching respectively. And under each tab is a series of tools relating to that tab title. And on the right-hand side, just up in the corner, we have the view cube. And this is a really useful tool that helps us to orbit and orientate parts or assembly for better viewing angles, and we'll be for sure using that a lot throughout this course also. So that is a quick overview of the key elements of the user interface. Throughout this course, we will be learning more about each one and how they are utilized to allow us to design and create as we need. The more that we use Fusion, the more that we will become more fluent in the software. Now let's move on to the next lecture and create our very own first project.